Hello YouTube, it's your boy the Crazy Trader, and I'm here again with your favorite stock review. Now I'm going to dive right into the stock that I want to talk about. It's Lucid Group, and I've done a few videos about Lucid Group. You can go back and watch it. Let's go right into it. Lucid had a big announcement on Friday by the end of day. Normally we want to hear some rumors and then we buy the rumor and sell the news, but this time we didn't get any rumors, so now we are buying the news and then you can sell the implementation of the news if you want to. But if you're holding for a long time, then this shouldn't bother you at all. Okay, so let's see what the news was about, and then I'll go back to the stock, and then I'll do it. We can talk about the price action in the coming week. Okay, so I'll read the first two paragraphs of the news. Annual changes to the Nasdaq 100 index. First two paragraphs, let's go. Nasdaq today announced the results of the annual reconstitution of the Nasdaq 100 index, which will become effective prior to the market open on Monday, December 20th, 2021. The following 6 companies will be added to the index: Airbnb, Fortinet Inc., Palo Alto Networks, Lucid Group. This is what we really want to see, Lucid Group, okay? Zscaler Inc. and Datadog. Now I want to read a little bit of what the Nasdaq 100 is about if you're a little confused. The Nasdaq 100 index is composed of the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq stock market. Okay, so they have the Nasdaq 100 index, which is the 100 largest non-financial companies, and then they have the Nasdaq Financial 100 index, which is also comprised of 100 largest financial stocks on Nasdaq. That's a little bit of a tongue twister, but hey, let's go to price action. So Lucid has been added to the Nasdaq 100 index, which is a big news if you can relate that to when Tesla was added to the S&P 500, which is a little bigger than this one. But I still like the idea that the Nasdaq 100 is adding Lucid to their index, which is huge news. So let's go into their price action and let's see what is likely to happen in the coming week. Today is Sunday. I want you to watch this video before Monday hits. If you're watching this video on Monday, then maybe, just maybe, you missed it. Okay, so Lucid is selling at 37.60 as of now. Now I want you to look at this neck, 44.72, sorry, 44. Don't even 44.45. That's what I'm going to call it. 44.45. That's the neck we are looking at, and it's the same neck that transitions into the 47 and the 55. So look at it, 44.88. It's the same 44. So 44.45. That's the neck we are looking at. 44 again. So 44.45. All right, and the same neck here, 44.45. So if Lucid is able to break the 40, which is this right here, this nice valley in here, which is 40, coming from the 37, I'm hoping that it will do that pre-market. If Lucid is able to break 40 in the pre-market, then I'll buy a call for 44. I'll buy a call for 44 because it's going to do the 44 easily if it's able to break the 40. And if it breaks the 44.45, then we are looking at 47.48, and then from there we are also looking at the 55. We will see if it's going to test the 55 again. If it tests the 55 again, hopefully it can break through it. If it breaks through it and maintains it, we are hoping that it will consolidate after the implementation of the news, which is going to be on December 20th. Okay, on the Monday, December 20th. If that happens, we are going to see a consolidation, most definitely. But from here, from the 37.60, now let's watch out pre-market and let's see how it's going to behave pre-market. If it breaks through 40 pre-market, then I'm going to buy calls on Lucid. If it doesn't break through the 40, then I'm going to buy shares on Lucid. Okay, that's what I'm personally going to do. Don't listen to me. Do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just doing this for educational information purposes only. So this is a trading strategy that I'm going to use. Okay, like I said, if it breaks 40 before pre-market, I'm going to buy the 44 call. If it doesn't break 40, then I'm going to buy shares of Lucid. So look into it and see how you are also going to trade. But Lucid is definitely going to have some massive price action in the coming week because of their inclusion in the Nasdaq 100 list. Okay, so just look at it and see how it's going to trade. We are already still in the market because I alerted the stock at 23.24, so we are already still in the money when it comes to Lucid. This is a $13 rise if you bought it at the price of 23 or 24. It depends on when you bought it. It's $13 or $14 rise. So on Monday, Monday to Friday, I think Lucid can easily from Monday to Friday do another $7 to $8 rise. Okay, easily do that. So look at it very well, and then see what happens, because Lucid has some crazy price action when it comes to Lucid. When I alerted the stock at first, I thought it was going to do from 24. I thought it was just going to go around 30, 32, and then it shot up all the way to 45. So the price action is very massive on Lucid. So be careful how you play it. Okay, you don't miss out on it. If you're watching this on Monday and the price is around 44, 45, you already missed the train. You can watch it and buy. You can watch it and buy calls or puts on it, whatever you like, how you want to play it. Anyways, don't let me waste too much of your time. Like I always say, scared money don't make no money, and you always got to risk it to get the biscuit. I'm out of your hair. Stay blessed and stay safe.